Welcome to Synthetic Farts, and another addition to our fun fart fact series. I am your host, Paperboy. Today we are talking about cow farts. This is a very hot topic in the news today. Why is there so much discussion about cow farts? One word: methane. Methane is a greenhouse gas. Its presence in the atmosphere affects the Earth's temperature and climate system. Farts contain methane. Methane emissions are important to us as a world climate problem. Stop farting, please. Your farts are causing global warming problems. Just kidding. Many prominent studies and scientific papers say we are overproducing methane in the world today. Period. Case closed. We need to reduce our global output by all means. In 2021, the United Nations Conference of the Parties, COP26 for short, created a global methane pledge. It asked nations to pledge to reduce methane emissions by 30% by 2023. President Joe Biden attended the COP27 summit the next year and publicly announced that the United States was on track to meet the methane emission reduction challenge. Let me back up a bit and explain the mechanics of the fart issue a little more. Methanogens, a type of archaea bacteria, create biogas. They break down biomass, organic matter, through an anaerobic digestion process called methanogenesis. In simple terms, these special bacteria help turn the food in our guts into methane gas in our farts. So how did cows get involved in these discussions? Well, cows are big animals, and there are a lot of them out there. Some say that cow farts are negatively impacting the environment because they fart a lot. Others think this idea is just politics, and cow fart damage is not a real issue. The cow fart hypothesis hinges on cow fart volumes and how our environment deals with all that extra methane. Are there too many cow farts in the world today? Climate change experts say that most of the methane in our atmosphere comes from a combination of fossil fuel emissions, volcanoes, glaciers, wildfires, wetlands, and other human activities. Methane production from cow farts make up a relatively small percentage of the total volume. Cow burps are actually a bigger problem. Roughly 95% of the methane released by cows comes out of their mouth when they burp. Only 5% of the methane comes from their manure and flatulence. That's right, cows are double-barreled animals. Both ends are efficient methane production machines. Even though cow farts are not the primary issue, all methane production sources are important. Reducing cow farts can help a lot. Recent discoveries have found that adding seaweed to a cow's diet reduces the amount of methane produced in both farts and burps. Problem solved? Well, maybe. The debate continues. One last interesting fact to ponder. Methane is one of the primary gases in our farts that make them flammable. We'll talk about fart lighting in a future video. Be sure to subscribe, share, and like. Have a great day farting.